Now we're going to look at an introduction to project management. So, in its advanced frame, project management goes back to the mid-1950s, in spite of the fact that its underlying foundations go additionally back to the last long time of the 19th century. As organizations understood the advantages of sorting out work around projects, recognizing the basic need to convey and coordinate work crosswise over divisions and callings, a characterized technique for project management emerged. Numerous associations today don't utilize full-time project managers. Surely, it's regular to pull together a project group to meet a specific need, one that more often than not includes creating a finished result or administration that the advantages the association or impacts change. The final product can be substantial or immaterial. Getting to that final product effectively is the thing that project management is about. At its center, at that point, project management focuses on the arranging and control of everything associated with conveying the final product, and it's a procedure that each individual on a project group needs to grasp, comprehend, and execute, regardless of the experience level. Regardless of whether you need scholastic abilities in a project approach, playing a part in a group gives an astounding learning opportunity, one that can enhance your vocation profile. Regardless of whether you're an accomplished chief or colleague, a survey of the basic and most fundamental components of project management can educate and enhance how viably you take projects from idea to solid arrangement and through to culmination. The definition of project management is a basic meaning that incorporates a modest bunch of key premises. Project management is no small task. Project management has a definite beginning and end. It's not a constant procedure. Project management uses different tools to quantify achievements and track project errands. These include work breakdown structures, Gantt charts, and PERT charts. Projects frequently need an ad hoc resource rather than dedicated full-time positions, common in organizations. These are generally called triple limitations, and it's utilized to abridge project management. The three most vital elements are time, cost, and degree. These shape the vertices with quality as the focal subject. In words, the triple requirement has four center components. Projects must be within cost, projects must be delivered on time, projects must be within scope, projects must meet customer quality requirements. More recently, the project management triangle has given way to a project management diamond with cost, time, scope, and quality as the four verticals, and customer expectation as a central theme. Project phases. A project goes through 6 phases during its life cycle. Project definition. Defining the goals, objectives, and critical success factors for the project. Project initiation. Everything needed to set up the project before work can start. Project planning. Detailed plans of how the work will be carried out, including time, cost, and the resource estimate. Project execution. Doing the work to deliver the product, service, or desired outcome. Project monitoring and control. Ensuring that a project stays on track and taking corrective action to ensure it does. Project closure. Formal acceptance of the deliverables and disbanding of all the elements required to run the project. Now we're going to talk about the project manager's role. The role of the project manager is one of great responsibility. The project manager's job is to direct, supervise, and control the project from beginning to end. Project managers should not carry out project work. Managing the project is enough. Here are some of the activities that a project manager undertakes. The project manager must define the project, reduce it to a set of manageable tasks, obtain appropriate resources, and build a team to perform the work. The project manager must set the final goal of the project and motivate the project team to complete the project on time. The project manager must inform all stakeholders of progress on a regular basis. The project manager must assess and monitor risks to the project and mitigate them. Now let's talk about the project manager's skill set. A project manager must have a range of competencies: leadership, people management, effective communication, influencing, negotiation, conflict management, planning, contract management, estimating, problem solving, and creative thinking. Also, time management. Now we're going to talk about barriers, risks, and issues that affect project success. Many things can go wrong in project management. Any barriers, risks, and issues can affect every phase and process of project management. Here are just some of the things that can possibly go wrong: poor communication, disagreement, misunderstandings, union strikes, personality conflicts, poor management, poorly defined goals and objectives. A good project management discipline will not eliminate all risks, issues, and surprises, but it will provide standard processes and procedures to deal with them, and it will also help to prevent the following: projects finishing late, exceeding budget, and not meeting customer expectations. Inconsistency between the processes and procedures used by project managers, leading to the favoring of some project managers more than others. Successful projects, despite a lack of planning, achieved through high stress levels, goodwill, and significant amounts of overtime. Project management being seen as not adding value and as a waste of time and money. Unforeseen internal and external events impacting the project. Project management is all about creating an environment and conditions in which to achieve a particular goal or objective, in a controlled manner with a team of people. When you're familiar with what project management entails, from the process to mitigating all that can possibly and often does go wrong, you affect the end result, whether you're engaged in a project methodology for the first time or as a seasoned pro.